Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. You just need Safari open and any pages you care about saved. On iPhone or iPad, tap the tabs icon in the bottom or top right. Don't fiddle, long press that tabs icon to reveal the quick menu. Once done, choose Close All Tabs to remove everything at once. On Mac, make sure the window you want cleared is frontmost so the next steps act on the correct set of tabs. Now execute the action so you finish quickly. On iPhone and iPad, long press the Tabs button and tap Close All Tabs. That command deletes every open tab in that window, swift and final. On Mac, bring the Safari window into focus and use the window menu to close that whole window, which also removes all contained tabs. Make sure you aren't closing the wrong window. If a confirmation dialog appears, read it and confirm. Finish by opening the tab view to confirm all tabs are gone. If you accidentally close something important, don't panic. Immediately check Safari's history or recently closed tabs to restore pages. On iPhone, tap Bookmarks right arrow History. On Mac, use the History menu. Make sure iCloud tabs was enabled if you were syncing across devices, otherwise closed tabs on one device won't appear on another. If confirmations blocked closure earlier, rerun the close action after saving any remaining pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.